Hi there, a very good morning and good afternoon to all of you, depending on wherever you're watching me. Here's Simply Stocks, and I'm here with this video on Parag Milk Foods. Can this stock perform over a period of time? The stock has fallen a lot from the top, so let's understand about the business. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Parag Milk, here's a small request. Can you support me on Patreon? Once you do that, help me grow the channel. Help you also ask me questions and ink out answers in greater detail. Once you get a $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts I put up from time to time. And also, you can pay $100 upfront. You get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. And also, if you cannot join Patreon, you can join the WhatsApp membership on a yearly basis. You can email me for that. Now about the company, established in 1992, it provides milk and milk products, Parag Milk, and it's one of the top brands in North India here, but has not expanded much in Southern India. It has base across nation, but most of its business comes from North India. Provides various milk products as brands. Some examples being Go Cheese and Govardhan Ghee that comes from Parag Milk. The market cap of the company is around 1100 crores or so. If you look at the numbers, these are Q2 numbers. So sales went up by around 25% to around 660 crores, but profit dipped a big time as margins shrank from 10% to 6%. So profit shrank by 50%. There's decent promoter and institutional holding. ROE of around 11%, margins at 8% is not the best in this business, and that is why the stock has been, you can say, dwindling down. Virtually a debt-free company this is. So what has been ailing the stock? Heavy competition in this space, heavy competition from the unorganized sectors, from mom and pop, you can say shops of dairy shops, etc. And we know how big that is, that you go ahead and buy from your nearest dairy shop, and no matter if the product is branded or not, you do buy it if the product is good. Margins have been hit badly from around 10-11%. We are down to 6%, as I mentioned, and raw material costs have soared over the last 3 to 6 months, and that has hurt businesses of most of the food companies. And Parag Milk has been one of them. It would have not avoided those things. So raw material cost escalated, and it had lofty valuations earlier, trading at 60, 70 times, 80 times, and when the numbers did not come in, we have seen a sharp decline in the stock. So there is a need for innovation and constant research for this company to grow better and come up with new products going forward. Until and unless that happens, I think the stock will struggle on the bourses. So what is to be done? I think avoid at the moment. I think let numbers improve on a consistent basis, and market leaders will keep outperforming. Something like Nestle, etc., or Amul will keep outperforming in this business rather than a Parag Milk. On massive sell-off can be looked at as a trade or as a 30-40% up move that could kicking kick in, but not all consumer stocks are good. Not all consumer stocks are to be bought, and they'll do well. You have to buy the best in the business. Even if you have this stock, then probably keep 5% in your portfolio or less than that. Don't keep a lot of, you can say, of this stock. So this is my video on Parag Milk. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my video straight away when I post it. Kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.